In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. By the end, you'll know how to quickly find Notion through Google, sign in, and paste an email from Outlook into a Notion page so your information is organized and easy to reference. This is a simple workflow that helps keep support conversations, follow-ups, and key details in one place. First, head to Google and search for Notion. This is a quick way to get to the right place without typing the full address. In the results, look for the official Notion site, which appears as Notion.com. If you see sponsored results or lookalike pages, ignore those and choose the main Notion listing. A quick way to confirm you're in the right spot is to check that the link is Notion.com and that your browser shows a secure connection. If you plan to use Notion often, consider bookmarking the homepage so you can jump back faster next time. Whether the search takes you to the homepage or directly to a sign-in screen, you're exactly where you need to be. Once you're on the Notion site, click Login. It's typically in the top right corner. Continue with your usual sign-in method and complete any prompts you normally see, such as entering a code for verification. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you store your support notes or documentation. Taking a second to confirm the correct workspace now will save you confusion later. Now, open the Notion page where you want to store the Outlook email. Click into the main body area of that page so your cursor is active. In Outlook, select the content of the email you want to keep, usually the message body, and copy it using your standard shortcut or the copy command. Switch back to Notion and paste directly into the body. Most basic formatting and links will come through cleanly. If the text looks messy, try pasting without formatting using your system shortcut or clear formatting after the paste. You can also tidy up spacing and add a quick heading or divider so the content is easy to scan. If you paste something by mistake, use undo to revert instantly. Before sharing the page with others, skim the content to ensure it doesn't include sensitive information you don't intend to distribute. That's all there is to it. Search for Notion on Google, log in, and paste your Outlook email into the body of your Notion page. Keep this flow handy for consistent documentation and smoother support collaboration.